Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. Alright, your USD analysis today. So let's start the top-down approach quickly with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are in the official downtrend. How many times do I tell you that we have rejected the resistance? So as you can see right here, if I use one more line, this was your box. Okay, so this was your resistance zone, and all the formalities has happened. The positional traders have taken the liquidity grab and stop losses, liquidity hunt, stop. Everything has been formally done. Okay, so we have blown up the accounts of people, and we, as in I talk as a positional trader. Okay, so all of that has happened here already in the weekly time frame, and now we are heading down. Okay, so first barrier looks like to me EMI. Okay, so I think no one can stop us from going until the EMI in weekly time frame. Okay, so the price will touch the EMI and then we'll decide if it's going to bounce back or continue going down. Okay, so we are going down until the EMI for sure. Coming back to daily time frame, daily, if you go and watch my yesterday's video, where yesterday we were on this candle, I guess. Okay, yes, we were here on this candle yesterday, and if you listened to me yesterday, you made this kind of money the whole candle yesterday. Okay, what's happening now? It's going for this low. Now this is going for this low. So when to enter? I don't know. You tell me. Okay. So now we're gonna take down this low, but before that, come back to 4 hour. In 4 hour, if you want a smart entry, then you will not enter right now. Okay, you will let the move happen. Let this move complete. Let the let the new low form. After new low is created and we have a pullback will happen until the EMI. Listen to me very carefully. This down trend will be over pretty soon, maybe tomorrow, tonight, or maybe tomorrow morning. This downtrend will be over for short term, and then you will have a pullback until the EMI, and then rejection from the EMI, then a red candle, and then you will continue going down. Do you understand me? Look for shorts. That's it. Bye bye. Take care. Good luck. Subscribe, like, share if that's not too much.